there was one DJ right to pass the test. Now he's down by law and he's ready to play. That's right, y'all, his name is AJ. Never gets nervous when he cuts the beat. He gives top-notch service in the clutch on the street. A complete elite treat that can't be beat. Cause AJ never knew the agony of the beat. Sing! Y'all remember this song? Come on, sing! I can't hear you! Everybody just sing this song! Yeah, well,
there are 8 million stories in a naked city.
Peace in every country, but the home is a home. I'm not running for the Congress or the president. I'm just here to tell the world how my story went. You see, first it was a dream. I was living in Rome, and then I moved to London and bought a brand new home. And everywhere I went, I drew lots of attention, like a stretched limousine with a new invention. It took a few years before they had come, but I was ruler of the world, right, #1. So I headed toward Washington to claim a crown. Let the whole world know that the king was in town. As I arrived, the crowd started to cheer, and then someone yelled out. So I went to the stage to make a speech about the new style of living I was gonna teach. Y'all know this song, sing along, come on. Sing, I love him, baby. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Somebody scream! Yes, yes, y'all. Don't stop the body rock to the people in the middle if you want to win. Say don't stop the body rock and the people on the side if you want to slide. Say it. Now a preacher or a teacher or an electrician, a fighter or a writer or a politician, the man with the key to your ignition. Curtis Blow is competition. Young lady, shock the house. Jazz and young ladies, shock the house. And just throw your hands in the air and wave them like it just don't care. If you're really ready to rock the house tonight, somebody scream.
Everybody, if you got what it takes, 'cause I'm Curtis Blow, and I want you to know that these are the breaks.
My biggest song ever, somebody scream! Brakes on the bus, brakes on the car, brakes to make you a superstar, brakes to win and brakes to lose. These here brakes will rock your shoes, and these are the breaks. Break it up, break it up, break it up!
rap music